What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Bitcoin. As you can see right now, yesterday Bitcoin broke out. So there is a lot of things for us to talk about in this video, especially, and I'll definitely be here to keep each and every one of us up to date. So we could see right here, if you've been following my videos for a while, I have been saying it for a while that okay, we are most likely going to be retesting this major resistance from this video, because if you look at this chart from the weekly time frame, first of all, you could see right here that we've been retesting this major levels right here. So I think I made it known to us that I'm most likely going to take some profits around here between $78,000, which I haven't done, and it seems like I'm most likely going to be doing that soon. But I can probably think of doing that if and only if we break below a particular support. So I will be showing you guys what I mean in no time. So from the weekly time frame right here, we could see Bitcoin has been very bullish for roughly a month now, and this is definitely a very good sign right here that Bitcoin is holding on very well. So we've broken out of this major resistance right here at $73,760. Now if I should move to the daily candle right here, you could see clearly that since we broke above this major resistance right here, we retested, found support, we dropped down again to find a very good major support, and you could see we are at a level of resistance right here. So I think maybe I'll have to probably wait till maybe we drop all the way down to probably $75,000 before I will exit the trade. So without even wasting much of your time right now, we could see that we have gotten rejected from our first major resistance after this breakout from this pattern. We've gotten rejected. We might end up dropping all the way down to probably 75.7 or 75.5, breakout, find support, and rally much higher. This is a possibility. Now if I should move to the other chart right here, you could see that we've broken out from this bear flag pattern. This bear flag pattern has been invalidated, but if this is going to be a fake out, you and I do not know. But with the look of things, if you watch my previous video, I made it known to us that we are most likely going to if the market is still strong, holding on very well, we are most likely going to find support around here, because we have to use the resistance, we have to turn this resistance to support, and by turning this resistance to support, this is where we need to find support around this area, which is $77,400. So we are able to find support around there. I believe we can rally much higher for Bitcoin. So this will end up invalidating the Bitcoin's bear flag pattern that we've been on since. So I think this is definitely all I can say on this chart. And lastly, you could see clearly right here that we got the fake out from this pattern right here, which I don't even take seriously. Honestly, I don't. Oh, this is definitely not a pattern, obviously. So yeah, majorly from the daily time frame right here, we could see that we've majorly broken out of this major resistance right here, which is definitely good for us to take note of. So we could still drop a little bit lower, especially given the fact that this is the daily time frame. We could still drop within the range of 77,450 all the way down to $77,110. So this could also be a level of support for Bitcoin, because if I move to the 4 hours time frame right here, you could see that we either have to find support within this range by breaking out as we have, finding support around here. Maybe we could even fake out a little bit, get some fake out, then rally much higher. So I think I'm still very much bullish on Bitcoin for the month of May. And with the look of things right here, you could see our regular indicator right here, which I use. You could see clearly right here that the USDT dominance is most likely looking it's still looking bearish, because we haven't made any higher high, but rather we're making lower highs right here. And you could see right here that ever since we tested this resistance again, we have been, whenever we come in contact with this resistance, we get rejected. Right now, we might rally all the way to 7.4% before dumping even much lower. So this is also a possibility. So for the likes of the crude oil right now, the crude oil is rallying massively, because like I said, the geopolitical tension is still very much high. The Strait of Hormuz are still closed. So with all those in question, I think the crude oil definitely have to keep on rallying, which means that with the look of things, the market is still very much uncertain on the direction that the market will be going, because this breakout that we had right here, we broke out of this resistance, we'll be getting rejected from, you could see we'll be getting rejected from this level. We broke out, especially also given the fact that we broke out of this resistance right here at $90. We broke out of it, and you could see we'll be rallying much higher. So there is a possibility that we could rally into this resistance at $98, drop all the way down to 92, find support, then rally much higher to our next major resistance, which is $104. So without even wasting much of your time right here, I think this is definitely what we should be expecting for the S&P 500. Still very much bullish, but right now it is consolidating, so which is not bad. We have not broken below this major support right here at 7,109, so we might most likely break below it and drop all the way down to 6,970, or we have to consolidate within this level before breaking towards the lower time frame. So any of this can play out, and I'll definitely be here to keep each and every one of us up to date. We could see gold is also looking bearish. I wasn't expecting this to happen, but with the look of things right now, gold is in a down. Sorry about that. Gold is actually in a down trend right now, and with the look of things, it's not looking nice. It's not looking nice. So probably until we get a major breakout from this resistance, then I can say we are ready to go. So until we break out of this resistance, probably break above this other resistance at $4,700, then I can say we are much likely ready to rally on gold. So I think this is definitely it right here for Bitcoin. I'll definitely be able to keep us up to date. The most important level we need to consider is seeing Bitcoin breaking below 77,450. If we break below that and it ends up not being a fake out to the downside, I would say we're most likely going to be crashing into probably 75,200. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.